Elecard CodecWorks is a professional modular solution for real-time transcoding, encoding, multiplexing, and demultiplexing of video. CodecWorks is a software product that allows encoding video into different formats, profiles, and for various content delivery protocols. We have already discussed source and server redundancy in the previous video. Color bar generator can be an alternative or supplement to the redundancy. If an issue with an input stream occurs, CBG allows broadcasting file, color bar signal by default, or the last frame. If the problem occurs only with the audio stream, the video image is not replaced, and the stream is silent until the audio source is restored. If CBG is used as a supplement to source redundancy, the CBG mechanism will only start when both sources fail. Default thresholds have the following values. CC errors, detected 15 and more errors per second for 5 seconds. The state ends when less than 1 error detected for 10 seconds. PID loss PMT changed, no video data for 3 seconds, no audio data for 2 seconds. The state ends when video goes for 3 seconds, audio goes for 2 seconds. TS loss, no data for 3 seconds. The state ends when data is being received for 3 seconds. Impossible to decode the stream, input codec change, encrypted stream. Less than 1 frame is decoded per second. The state ends when over 10 frames are decoded per second for 3 seconds. To start CBG automatically, right-click the running encoding schema, then select CBG and allow CBG in a drop-down menu. If necessary, the operator can turn the CBG mechanism manually. To do that, right-click the encoding schema, then select CBG and run CBG. To turn it off, select Stop CBG in the same menu. We understand that sometimes you may need help. Elecard has a support team as well as a business team that can help structure a solution for you. We're able to help address all your video monitoring and analysis needs for projects of any scale and complexity.